Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We all know that the fridge is a great place to keep our food fresh, but did you know that there are some foods you should never refrigerate? Today, I'm going to tell you about 5 foods that should stay out of the fridge, and I'll explain why. Let's get started. First up, tomatoes. Refrigerating tomatoes ruins their texture and flavor. Keep them at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. Next, potatoes. Refrigerating potatoes turns their starches into sugars, affecting taste. Store them in a cool, dark place. Number 3. Onions. Refrigerated onions become soft and moldy. Store them in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated space. Number 4. Bread. Refrigeration makes bread go stale faster. Keep it in a bread box or on the counter. Last, honey. Refrigerating honey causes it to crystallize. Store it at room temperature to keep it smooth. So, there you have it. 5 foods that should stay out of the fridge. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.